Sangster Tower, Roger. Clear to land, runway 07, wind 07, 0 degrees, 17 knots.
7 American 1031.
622 RNP 07.
2622, Sangster Tower, Roger. Slow your approach speed as variable and continue the approach to runway 07.
Okay, we'll slow the approach, American 2622.
Copilot 147, line up and wait runway 07. American 1031, on time 31, exit on Alpha, expedite vacating. When clear, contact ground 121.7.
Alpha, point 7 American 1031.
Copilot 147, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, couple 147. American
622, continue approach, traffic rolling. American 2622, clear to land runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 15 knots.
Channel number 2, pick up Lima, with a land to vacate on Charlie.
One 147, contact departure, 120.8.
120, si Mike, couple 147, everything.
Tower, hello, Air Canada 982 Heavy, RMP 07.
982 Heavy, thanks to Tower, Roger. Continue approach runway 07. American 2622, on time 35, exit Alpha, expedite vacating, and when clear, contact ground 1217.
Ground American 2622.
60 at 16. Lima, clear to land runway 07, 06, 0 degrees, 15 knots. Air Canada 982, clear to land runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 15 knots.
07 Air Canada 982. Thanks to Tower American 2620, RMP, runway 07.
2620, thanks to Tower. Roger. Continue approach runway 07.
American 2620.
Air Canada 982, on time 39, vacate Alpha. Contact ground when clear 1217.
217 on Alpha, we tracked Air Canada 982, thank you.
Delta 1987, we'll hold the short up runway 7. Now we're ready for immediate.
Delta 1987, thanks to Tower. Roger. You cleared immediate takeoff runway 07. Wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
Alright, to clear for me to take off runway 7. Delta 1987.
Affirmative.
Sun Country 563 with you, turn in final, runway 7.
Sun Country 563, thanks to Tower. Roger. Continue approach runway 07. American 2620, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots. Delta 1987, contact departure now 120.8. Delta 1987 is frequency. American 2620, on time 43, vacates on Alpha. When clear, contact ground 121.7.
7, this is fine.
Sun Country 563, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
And runway 7, ticket 563.
Tower, good afternoon. JetBlue 2779er is just about 3,000, depending on the RME.
JetBlue 2779, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Approach 07, JetBlue 2779.
Sun Country 563, on time 46, exit Alpha, contact ground 1217.
First turn and over to ground, Country 563.
Runway 07, wind 07 is ready, cruise 20 knots.
And runway 07 for JetBlue 2779.
Delta 1750, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07. JetBlue 2779, you're on time 51, exit Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Bravo, contact ground 121.7, JetBlue 2779.
Delta 1750, clear to land, runway 07, wind 07, 0 degrees, 18 knots.
07, Delta 1750. Tower Southwest 1115 RMP, runway 7.
1115, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Approach Southwest 1115.
Two seven thanks to Tower, roger. Confirm you're ready for departure? Roger, line up and wait runway 07.
Line up.
Delta 1750, you're on time 54, expedite vacating on Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Ground 1217, Delta 1750.
Delta 1927, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 07, 0 degrees, 21 knots, northerly on the roll.
Runway 7, Delta 1927, thanks.
Good afternoon, number 521 Charlie Hotel with you, RNAV, runway 7.
November 521 Charlie Hotel, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Runway 07, 521 Charlie Hotel.
Southwest 1115, clear to land runway 07, wind 07, 0 degrees, 20 knots.
29 runway 7, Southwest 111.
Delta 1927, confirm squawking 6762.
6762, Delta 1917.
Roger, contact departure 120.8.
Delta 1917.
Bye-bye. Southwest 1115, on time 57, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121. Southwest.
Vacated Bravo 2 ground, Southwest 1115.
November 521 Charlie Hotel, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots.
7521 Charlie Hotel.
Number 521 Charlie Hotel, the on time 01, exit Bravo, contact ground 121.7.